Guys, final compilation na tayo since tomorrow na yung basahan na ito. Ano na lang ba ulo natin?
Yung part na ako na yung kulang. By the way, where is she? Ito ba siya na meeting na yun? Kaya hindi na siya pumunta ng meeting natin since last week pa. What do you expect?
Tama na, I messaged her last night about our meeting. And, but wala pa siya sim or message.
So tayo pa mag-adjust sa kanya. Over naman.
What's your part again?
Yung drug study is not financial gawin.
Okay, if wala pa hanggang later, wala siyang mag-input. I'll do it myself na lang, but I will inform Ma'am Ana about this.
Speaking of,
Guys, sorry, late ako. Wala yung kalbo na ako nakapagpag-plan. Sus, lagi naman. Excuse me? Sabi mo? Sabi ko, ba't parang isang linggo ka late?
Can I talk to you privately? Yeah.
Ano ba yun?
So ganito kasi, hindi ka mo makapag-final sa paper since wala yung partner.
Sorry na. Super busy kasi lately with family leave. Yun na sana yung need ko favor. Pwede ba palagi yung name ko sa outboard project? Promise, next project babawi ako kahit ako na gumawa lahat.
Bianca, but you did not submit any paper.
Yun nga, I know. That's why I'm asking you a favor. Group effort naman, di ba? Ang hirap lang talaga lately.
As a leader kasi, kailangan mo ilagay ng tama na meron kong contribution or wala para fair sa lahat.
So, hindi mo talaga ilalagay yung name ko. Kahit consideration na lang. Parang hindi tayo magkaibigan na.
Bianca, mamay na yun.
Please na, Ryan.
Thank you, Group 4. Your final output is good. Medyo may revisions na. Then your documentation looks organized. Nandito na ba yung participation record?
Yes, sir, nandiyan po lahat ng mga followers ko nito.
I see. All of you contributed except your one member. Why is that?
The member po kasi doesn't contribute any final output. So we decided to be honest sa participation. Para fair rin sa lahat.
Okay. Very good. It's good that you're being honest. Dito pala, kasi it's very important in the field of our work or any field to be honest.
Thank you po.
hindi the writing ko, don't feel bad about it.
Tama, kung wala siyang ginawa, hindi mo naman siya sa list. I mean,
Sige.
Kaya can we talk? Ang sabi sa printed file. My question is, bakit si Mark sinama mo tapos ako hindi sa participation list?
Si Mark, nag-send siya kahit late. Pero ikaw, wala akong nakita doon. And kahit sa meeting, wala ka eh.
Sabi ko, busy ako.
I respected that. Pero may responsibility ka pa rin eh, as a member. I just did my part as a leader. And honestly come with it. Especially, kailangan honest tayo sa evaluation.